curses from generation to generation. Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Curses from generation to generation. Have you ever heard about curses from generation to generation? Do you know that, it is not a joke at all. I'm speaking completely seriously. It is not a joke at all. Evil spirits are real and they exist around us everywhere. Evil spirits are connected to heavy curses. An evil spirit that is connected to a curse, or a curse is connected to the evil spirit or spirits. According to years of experiences and listening to the experiences of different professors in different parts of the world, usually the work of evil spirit is that they like the guardians of that curse or curses that are asked from the mouth of people without thinking, when they are wounded and uncomfort. When a person discomfort or sad and wounded, when a person utters a curse with his or her whole being, with the voice of his or her inner essence, hers or his mind, body, soul, when she or he really has a huge wound. There were many civilizations in history that had these awarenesses, such as one of the most ancient civilizations in the world. They knew that the curse moves with generation. Look, you have to be very careful. What are you doing? How do you live? Do you give love to yourself and others? Or emotional, physical, mental wounds that hurt someone so much that you create heavy karmas for yourself that will affect you for generations to come? That is real. You have to know that love is the solution and true mission of humans, which is the solution of all problems, and enjoying life next to everything that God has created. I want to tell you something. Maybe you like, maybe you don't. Being spiritual is not being vegetarian or doing yoga or some dark night of the soul nonsense or distraction shadow. because you don't even know anything about your shadow. And those stupid liars who telling you these works are spiritual, you know, these stupid liars have misled you, because being spiritual means evolving, means having experiences and being connected to your whole life, being connected to happiness, love, experience. Not show off. So give love to yourself and others and live life and have so many beautiful experiences. Be happy and experience anything you want. I mean, be happy and give love and receive love. You know, I have to tell you something about generation, cursed generation. Dear Unique, do you know how the generational curse work? How generational curse works? Do you know? It's so important. You have to know that the one who cursed, the one who cursed and the one who was cursed, even if they leave the world and die, the curse remains alive and remains alive for centuries, generations, and what the evil spirit does here. The evil spirit, the evil spirits, you know, direct the curse to the next generation, and every curse that flows is connected to an evil spirit, and that spirit turns that curse into reality, unfortunately. And to break and solve that curse, you must destroy evil spirit. And every curse is connected to which spirit and for which year, century, where in the world is that spirit. It's a difficult task. It's so difficult that it is impossible to understand, because, you know, there is no solution for it, because there is a solution for living people, not ghosts, or in this case, evil ghost. So you have to live carefully. You have to be happy, you have to give love to yourself and others. So now you know, and you can change the future. When you choose which path you want to go, you can change your future, you can change your life by give love to yourself and others and choose better path. Good luck, dear one, dear unique. If you want to ask me a question, you can write a comment for me. And you have to remember there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Like, share, subscribe. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share it. Because it's important for anyone to know about these things and have better life. Okay? Love you. Amira Rani